Hi guys, Shebeshit has been involved in a car accident. It's really sad, guys. The sad part is that he lost his daughter, allegedly, because I've seen some people on the internet saying that he did not lost his daughter. The daughter is in hospital and all of that, and I'm hoping that the daughter is in hospital. But then on Twitter there's been different videos. There's also a video of a body bag that was next to his damaged car, and it is alleged that was his daughter. Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please make sure that you subscribe, you like this video. Let's get into the video. So Shebeshit has been involved in another car accident. So this is reportedly a second car accident in 6 months, guys. In 6 months. And do you know what came into my mind? Do you guys remember the time there were different videos on the internet? TikTok Sangomas warning Shebeshit of the danger that is coming, the danger that he's going to face. I don't know, I'm not saying this is it, but like it just reminded me of that, So let us just go through this article that was released on Instagram. The article was released by MDN TV Live. So it says musician Shebeshit was involved in a car accident that reportedly claimed the life of his 9-year-old daughter. According to Sunday World, Shebeshit was with 3 other passengers in the car when it collided with a truck and overturned. The musician was on his way to perform at an ANC Siyanqoba rally celebration concert in Libuakgomo. The event was scheduled for Sunday, 9 June. The publication reports that news of the little girl's passing was confirmed by Didimalo Chwene, who is the spokesperson for the Transport Department in Limpopo. On various social media platforms, videos of a body of a child believed to be Shebeshit's daughter have gone viral. In one clip, the body has been seen lying covered next to the artist's damaged VW Polo. Another video shows the musician lying on the ground while paramedics treat his injuries. So guys, I really don't know. I'm just hoping that it was not his daughter, because he loves, because we are still not sure yet, but he loves her so much. Like I've seen when he has interviews, the way he speaks about his daughter, guys, I'm just hoping, I'm just hoping it's not his daughter. Like I know he can be handful sometimes, can be handful. We've seen it with our eyes, but I'm just hoping that it's not true. Everybody deserves a second chance. I'm just hoping that he will learn from this. He will learn, because if it happens that it's his daughter, he will never forgive himself. He will never forgive himself. And people are suspecting that he was driving under the influence of alcohol, or maybe even substance abuse. There's a lot of suspicions, but he is the one who knows the truth. And apparently in that car there was also the mother of his daughter, who is also hospitalized. So I'm just hoping it's not the daughter, and I wish them a speedy recovery. May the little girl so rest in peace if it's her. But fingers crossed, guys, fingers crossed, as we wait for more feedback. I'm just hoping it was not her. Like, she's still so young, man. She's still so young. She still has her whole life ahead of her, So guys, that's it from me. Please make sure that you subscribe and like this video. I will see you on my next one.